Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing 3 items sent to me by the Janet collection, which is their new and improved Esha Fusion Lace Bond Glue. I'm excited about this. Look how cute it is. It's so cute and small. I'm super excited. It also comes with the lace remover. That is a must. Guys, keep in mind that if you are purchasing any glue, you need to make sure that you have the glue that they provide. The last product is the Guard Grip Primer. Ooh, girl, I'm excited about that. I love to prime my skin before I use any glue. That is imperative for each and every beautiful client that I have. I make sure that we clean their palette first before we apply anything. Sweat, makeup, all of that stuff will definitely play a part with how long your lace will sit and grip to your skin, honey. Okay. So I'm excited. If you want to see my review and hear about how I feel about all of them, keep watching. First thing I like to do is make sure that I have me a nice clean wipe, and I'm going to take the Grip Guard and spray. I'm not going to spray it directly on my skin. I'm going to spray it on the wipe. I'm not sure what the directions are, but that's how I like to do mine. So you want to wipe everywhere the glue will be, because you're protecting your skin. That's why it's called Guard. Yeah, so we're gonna do that. I'm just gonna pull. It's actually really cool, like refreshing. So I do like that feeling. I do like the refreshing feeling. So kudos to you guys on that. Straight wig. I had her for a while, but she loyal, so we're gonna use her today. And so let's see how this glue works. Collagen and vitamin infused lace wig protects and grows edges, fortifies skin, and water resistant. Okay, let's see how. Ooh, I like how the top looks. You can kind of just glide it on. I like that. It's super cute, super small, easy to travel with. I like so far. So what I'm gonna do is use it with a popsicle stick. I just like to use it with a popsicle stick. You can use it with the glider that it comes along with, but I'm gonna use a popsicle stick just so that my top doesn't get messy. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on. Less is more, guys. You don't want to put a lot of glue on your hair. You want it to be as thin as possible so that it lays nice and flat. And it doesn't come up quick. Okay, keep it, so when you're not using it, make sure you close it because it will dry out. 3 coats on, and you want to make sure that everything is completely dry before you put anything down. All right, the color, but it dries. I was nervous about the color that it is, but it dries really good. And it dries pretty fast. I really like that. That dries really fast. Because sometimes you're on the go and you kind of want to put your wig on and go. So I like how it dries. So just let it dry, and I'm sticking really fast, guys, and I love that. That's why I'm so impressed with you, blessed with you. If you haven't noticed, I am at my best with you, best with you. So I like this glue because I feel like it's a do-it-yourself glue. Like, if you are not really keen with knowing how to do hair, you'll be able to use this. When you didn't have to stay holding me down, even when I'm not around. So before we start styling, I want to prep my lace and cook it a little bit. So I'm gonna use a little bit of mousse. Alright, and use my Tyra Glam headband. Ooh. Every minute that we share, I've been in my bag with you. They know I ain't playing about you.
That's why you know you're my heart, and you know I'm about you. I hate when
I decided we're gonna keep this beautiful. Love natural hair, right? So what I use is down a little bit. Hot comb. Just to go right in the middle.
you know it's on me. Do you see him know that that's on me right there? Do you see him know that's on me? Do you see him know that's on me? Do you see him know that that's on me right there? On me. When you see him, yeah, you see on me. When you walk by, that walks on me, that talks on me, yeah, on me, on me, on me, on me. When you see him, yeah, you see on me.
Hey guys, so it has been about 8 hours and I have had this liquid wig on, so now it is time to remove her. And she is like literally not trying to go anywhere. Ooh, look at that. So we are going to use the lace remover to see how easy this is. I love that it's a spray bottle, and all you have to do is spray it on. Let's see what the directions are. It says spray, remove onto area where adhesive is applied. Massage, remove thoroughly. Important note is to let the remover sit for 2 to 4 minutes before removing the lace. Very. Okay guys, it has been around 5 minutes, so let's see. Ooh. Honey! Look how that comes up. Ooh, it's sliding too. Look how that come up. Ooh, and I feel it. Like it's like really stuck. Ooh. Alright. Let's spray the other side.
I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. I wanna start.
Okay guys, it's been 5 minutes. Ooh, I love it. Super easy. And I would say once you do that, make sure that you take the prime and grip and guard and grip. Just clean that area where the that you remove it. You don't want that to sit on your skin. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shorty on go. There's a lot coming up. Look. That's my makeup along with it, but I don't know if I'm crazy about the smell. I will say that. But other than that, this thing is no joke. So if you guys are looking for a very easy glue to apply, a bonding glue that's gonna hold for a couple of days, 2 to 3 coats, she is it. She's really good and I like it. Thank you Esha Fusion Janet Collection for trying out your products. I will list all the links below so you guys can purchase yourself and try them out. Be sure to follow me on Tyra's Hair Experience on Instagram and keep watching, and I'll see you soon. Like G-Wagon or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shorty.